Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And we provide a lot of education through the form of videos that we provide to our viewing audience on family law issues. So please subscribe to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how they come up with the number of overnights in a default situation. The scenario is this. A husband and wife or a mom and dad have a child. There is a question of determining child support. As you may know, child support and parenting time, child support and parenting time kind of go hand in hand. That is, the amount of overnights impacts the amount of child support. Now, a question that has been raised by a viewing audience that in a default situation, where let's say only the mom's in court, dad isn't there, how do they come up with the number of overnights when the other person is in default? And the answer is, well, in a default, only one person is weighing in, right? The person who's before the court is giving the court information. The defaulted person isn't chiming in at all because they're in default. They're not even there. So the court will normally do one of two things. Either it'll give a schedule that the person before it asks for, or more likely the court will simply default on its own to its own set schedule, which most courts have a sort of a general schedule that you follow in the event that the parties can't agree. The default schedule of the court might look something like this: alternating weekends, alternating holidays. Dad gets Father's Day, Mom gets Mother's Day. The summertime is split. The non-custodial parent may have two continuous weeks in the summer. There may be 2 weeks that are not continuous. They could be 2 weeks in the summer in the beginning and 2 weeks at the end. It could include in addition to the overnights during the week, maybe a Wednesday night dinner or something like that. In other words, there's set things that the court can order, which sort of follows the Sixth Circuit, parenting time schedule, that kind of thing. Macomb County may have its own. Wayne County may have its own. So in the event of a default, they're going to fall back to what the normal schedule is that's predetermined that they have set. In the event that you're defaulted and you have that schedule thrust upon you, maybe you like it, maybe you don't, you probably will need to contact your attorney in order to get a modification of that schedule. If you have any questions about that, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.